Pounds for me.
No, believe it.
I'm about to come pick them hoes up right now. You know, they already wrapped up.
Yeah.
Shit. I damn had that. Yeah.
Say no more game.
Cat, baby, I run, baby, so, son.
YouTube! We back in another video. We got TJ. We got Tyler. We got Tyson finding the cut. We got boy TJ right here. And we about to clean this room. Nah, I'm joking, but we about to clean this room though. We've been planning on cleaning this room for a minute. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all what it looks like though.
This is before. It's your boy Ty. So how you feel with you guys? Everywhere. We gonna get back with y'all. Shit. We can leave the door right now. Yeah, he ain't bothering us.
It's a bit hard. TV. Shit.
I guess you gotta connect the TV to the walk-in.
YouTube, it's your boy Caleb, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm about to be changing my lights out right now. As you can see, they white right now. They all white all around. These got a little water in it, but I'm about to change these out. As you can see. Yeah. I'm about to be changing them to this black right here. Since my car already white and black, I'm about to be changing it to black. I think it'll look better. And plus, everybody got the white now, so yeah.
Only love could bring us to this bitter plain.
Yo, YBH.